Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary and
Rose Helen.
along with Rose Helen's. And today we're gonna be making smoothie. Yeah! So we are eating healthy today. We're gonna be making smoothie. So this is the jar for our blender. And this is our blender right here. So we're gonna be making smoothie today. So we'll put the smoothie right back here, the blender right here. And then what we're making for smoothie today is gonna be a strawberry
and grapes.
And grapes, yeah.
And milk and honey and peanut butter. And
okay, so we're gonna be making strawberry with grapes. And we got some plain yogurt. This is plain yogurt.
We got some peanut butter.
We got peanut butter in here. And we got some we got milk here. Yep, and we also got some honey right here. So let's get into the video, y'all. So before I start the video, I'm gonna give you guys 360 for the camera.
Yeah, guys.
Baby, get me to my video. Move in the video.
I'll make some smoothie with you.
Okay, so we're gonna be making smoothie together, y'all. But I promise you, my next video you're not gonna be inside.
No, it's Rose Helen's video.
This video is not meant for kids too. So just to let you guys know. This is my video and my baby girl came in. I'm just rinsing in this jar right here, okay?
Now we're making smoothie, guys. We're making smoothie, guys. I want to put those strawberries and grapes inside the blender.
Okay, help me. Let's rinse your hand first. You gotta put a strawberry in there. Let's go put it in.
Two.
Put of it. Yep. So guys, we are making smoothie on a live video. Yeah, this is not live, yeah. Let me put the rest of it. Yep. Have you tried the grape? So the grape is seedless grape. It don't have seed in it. And what next we're gonna be putting in?
Milk.
We're gonna be putting the milk in right in here. So I'll be putting the milk.
Good girl.
Good job, thank you.
Good girl.
So I love my smoothie to be ready to take you. So
peanut butter.
no, that makes it up for and see how it look like.
Don't forget the lid, mommy.
Yeah, I gotta close it up. Okay. Where's the top? I'm reaching the top.
Mommy, don't make a mess.
I'm not making a mess.
Here, Mama.
Wait a minute,
Put it
buddy.
in there. Come on,
Okay, so guys, warning: this blender is very loud. If you can't stand noise, please unplug your hairpiece, earphone, and other stuff. Okay, or you can make your volume low.
2, 3, 1, go.
Wait, I gotta put it on first. Wait, just give me a chance, just a little bit. Okay. So I got it on, and I'm just gonna press this button right here. Sister, can you just give me another chance, please?
Okay.
Yeah. What's going on here? Is it on? Sister, you gotta give me a chance. It's on. It's on right here. guys, let's see the result of this yogurt, okay? So my baby girl actually wants us to put peanut butter as usual, put some plain yogurt, and put some honey.
And put the other peanut butter.
Put the other peanut butter. But I just want to try this for the first time and see how it's going to look like. I just want my yogurt, my smoothie to be just plain, okay?
No, it's
so let's get it.
So guys, my mom will be back.
Yeah.
Ow.
Your mom will be back. Shut there.
Ow.
So guys, my mom will be back. Your mom will be back. Shut there. Buddy, you want to try some? Yeah? Are you going to make yours? You're going to try some. You're going to try some.
You want the superhero?
Okay.
Here's the superhero cup.
So we got some cups here. We're going to be rinsing.
We have the
Superhero cups.
We have
the glass here.
We have the pink cup.
So I'm just going to be...
That's my pink cup.
Can you just give me a chance a little bit so I can have more space here? So let me get some straw into this and see what's going on here. What color of straw you want, sister girl?
Red.
Okay.
I think I want red. But we forgot to put the peanut butter.
Wait, sister girl, excuse you. You say you want red? Your brother want blue.
And
Mommy wants yellow.
you want yellow.
So guys, I can't wait to share.
Cut it.
You
forgot to.
No, your cup is small. If I cut it, it's gonna be short.
It's not going to be.
The cup is long. Move.
The cup is small.
Yeah, the cup you have is small. So guys, I really love my smoothie to be thick. Sister girl, can you give me a chance a little bit?
I love smoothie with you. I love grape. And I love.
So we have the cup right here. We have the cup. So which one is the first?
I want the pink one.
So guys, this is our yogurt right here. It's our smoothie, right? Sister girl, you just want to back up just a little bit. Oh my God. How much you want? Baby, get back up. It's okay? You want more, some more? Okay. Sister girl, you want some more?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to take yours and go? Get her, go.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my God. That's a lot, y'all. So guys, this is how I make my smoothie at home. I have so many ways to make smoothies. This is one of the ways. This is one of the many ways to make smoothie at home. Yeah. So thanks to you guys so much for staying. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to make onion juice. So after using this blender, I just, I'm going to wash it and just keep it. Guys, this is the blender right here. I'm just done with it. It's very clean. Yeah. Okay, so. So the next smoothie we're going to be making is going to be with peanut butter. The next smoothie is going to have yogurt in it, peanut butter, milk, honey with some strawberry, okay? Yeah, we're not going to put grape in this one, okay? So guys, once again, my name is Rosemary. Yeah, my baby girl name is Rose Helen. So if you find this video helpful, please support us. If you find this video helpful, please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. And guys, I'm on a vacation. Yeah, I'm on vacation with my kids. So happy Thursday from our end. Excuse my hair. I'm doing natural beauty. I'm just resting from makeup and other stuff. On this vacation, I just want to be natural, and I'm just staying home here. I'm not going out of state. I'm going to be staying home for my entire vacation. I will go out and come back in, but not out of state. I'm just going to be around Ohio. I live in Ohio. Once again, my name is Rosemary. Guys, let's see how this smoothie tastes. Oh my goodness. It tastes good. Mmm. 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 It tastes good, y'all. Oh my God. This is a bomb, y'all. So I'll be making a lot of videos today. I'm on a vacation. So I want to make video before going back to work. I want to make a lot of vacation before going back to work because school is about to open. School's gonna be opening. School gonna open next this month. Though. Some schools open August 20. Some schools open August 15, August 16. So school is about to open soon. So I know when school open, I'm not gonna come on live or I'm not gonna do video every day. So I'm just gonna do a lot of videos before going back to work. If you find my video helpful, please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Okay? So, cheers.
Mommy, cheers. Mommy, cheers.
Cheers to long life.
Cheers to success.
Cheers to success. Cheers to prosperity.
Cheers to Jesus.
Cheers to Jesus. Come on, my audience want to see it. Let's go. Cheers.
Cheers.
To long life.
Cheers to
To good health.
success.
To success.
To
To wealth.
Jesus.
To a lot of money. Cheers to Jesus.
Jesus.
Cheers to everybody. And cheers to all of you guys.
Cheers to all of you guys.
So guys, we're back to leave you guys. It was nice spending the time with you guys. The next video we're going to be putting some honey, some peanut butter, and some,
Mom, can I have some yogurt, please?
You want some more yogurt?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is a bomb, y'all.
Give me some yogurt.
Wait a minute, let me pause the show so we can do this behind the scene. You don't want my audience to see how much you love this yogurt, okay? So bye, you guys. I love you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.